I'm so bored there's nothing for a blind man to do in a place like this.
Hey, if you're just gonna be standing here, make yourself useful and go get one of those chickens for dinner.
Alright, I'll go do that. Alright, chickens, prepare to meet your end. Meow. What? Meow. Meow? Oink. I mean meow. Where are all the chickens? I must have gotten a wrong path or something. Oh well, I'll leave these cows in peace. Honey, I couldn't find any chickens, only our cows.
We don't have any cows.
I know. It confused me also. Meow.